Imagine walking into a hospital where doctors, nurses, and even computers work together to keep you healthy. Artificial intelligence isn't replacing doctors. It's helping them save lives faster and smarter than ever before. Hi, I'm Cynthia, your digital guide to the world of AI. Today, we're exploring how AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnosing diseases to predicting them before they start. One of the biggest breakthroughs is in medical imaging. I can scan thousands of X-rays, MRIs, and CT images in seconds, spotting patterns even expert doctors might miss. It's like having a supercharged second opinion that never gets tired. AI isn't just fast, it's proactive. By comparing millions of patient records, it helps detect diseases like cancer or heart problems long before symptoms appear. That means faster treatment, higher survival rates, and better outcomes. Ever used a health app that tracks your steps or reminds you to drink water? That's AI acting as a personal health coach, helping people stay consistent and informed. Some apps even connect directly to doctors if something looks unusual. Smartwatches and fitness trackers are more than cool gadgets. They constantly collect heart rate, sleep, and oxygen data, allowing AI to detect early signs of illness or stress. It's like carrying a tiny health guardian on your wrist. AI can now predict future health risks using your medical history and lifestyle. For example, it can warn doctors if a patient might develop diabetes, stroke, or heart failure before it happens. That's preventive medicine powered by data. No two patients are the same, and AI helps doctors tailor treatment to each individual. From medication doses to therapy schedules, it analyzes what works best for your unique body and genetics. This is the future of truly personalized medicine. AI also improves how hospitals run, optimizing staff schedules, predicting bed availability, and reducing waiting times, and even robots assist in surgeries with incredible precision. That means doctors can focus more on patients, not paperwork. From scanning images to predicting disease and personalizing care, AI is becoming one of healthcare's greatest partners. But remember, it's not here to replace doctors. It's here to empower them. What do you think about AI in healthcare? Exciting or a bit scary? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI stories. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious.